TV Boy Part 19. Harry's father was an avid gardener, meticulously tending to rows of vegetables that thrived under his care. Yet, despite his passion for cultivating produce, he kept Harry at arm's length, preferring to work in solitude among the raised beds and compost piles. Harry, eager to join him, would linger at the garden's edge, hoping for an invitation to dig into the soil or plant a seed, but his father seemed to guard the garden as his own private sanctuary, leaving Harry with only glimpses of the work and wonder that went into each vibrant crop. This quiet exclusion planted a seed of yearning in Harry's young mind, a curiosity about the process he was kept from, and a desire to someday grow his own patch of green. Fortunately, Harry found a kind of mentor on TV in Kevin Hines, host of the ABC gardening show So What, week after week. Harry sat mesmerized as Kevin demonstrated the magic of gardening, explaining how to sow seeds, enrich soil, and care for each plant with patience and attentiveness. Through the screen, Kevin became the guide Harry lacked at home, teaching him that he could bring life to the earth with his own hands. Years later, the lessons Harry absorbed from So What gave him the confidence and skill to establish his own home garden. Today, he grows fresh vegetables for his family, honoring the knowledge he gained from the show that bridged the gap his father left behind.